What's up, salty lifers? Jay here. Pizza review time. We are in Dunedin, Florida. Some people like to call it Dunedin, but they're wrong. Jimmy Ike's Pizza and Wings. They just opened literally like 3 days ago. If you remember, if you're from around the area, this was an ice cream shop for a little bit. It was a place called Lovin' Pizza when we first moved here, and I really liked it, and I was bummed out when it closed. So I'm glad to see a new pizza place pop up, because it's literally the closest place to my house for pizza, and unless you count Hungry Howie's, which is right down the street, which I don't, because as I say, eat local, drink local, say no to Domino's, one bite's for quitters, life's too short for crappy chain pizza. So here we go. Jimmy Ike's, what do they got? They got pizza, of course, they got wings, they got calzones. I did the $10.99. I did the $7.99 slice deal, 2 slices and a can of soda. Cheese or pepperoni, your choice, $7.99. They got grinders.
Hoagies and grinders, hoagies and grinders.
That tells me that these folks are likely from up around the New England area, because those people say grinders, also known as a sub. Anyhow, let's get on to it. The 2 slice deal. This smells really nice. Look at all the pepperoni on this thing. That's a crap ton of pepperoni. I'm not complaining, trust me. That's pretty tasty. I kind of like this. What's really surprising to me is there's a ton of cheese on this. It's holding up pretty well. I mean, that's pretty nice and golden brown. For you team extra cheese kids, you don't have to worry about asking this place for extra cheese. There's plenty of cheese on this, and the amount of pepperoni is crazy. Look at that. I lied. I took 2 more bites. All right, so even got the Jimmy Ike's magnet. So put that on the side of the fridge. Order some more. Let's score this one. It's the margarita scale, the world famous 1 to 5 margaritas. Haven't had a 1 in a long time, thank goodness, or a 2. But on this one, I like it. I'm gonna call it a 4 out of 5. It's tasty. It's got that Greek vibe to it. Crust is done nicely. Cheese is really good. Tons of pepperoni. Good flavor. 4 out of 5. My name is Jay. It's a saltylife.com, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel. Please check out all that stuff and subscribe to the YouTube. Pretty please and thank you. It's absolutely free. You guys have a wonderful day. I will see you again real soon. Ciao for now.